Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making green gram kofta curry. For this, take 200 grams of green gram, soak overnight and then grind it to a paste. So our paste is ready. Now add half an inch of freshly grated ginger in it. Add 1 or 2 chopped green chili. Add salt to taste. Add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili and mix it well. Now in a pan, take oil for deep frying. And fry the kofta. Once oil is hot, make your kofta in a small ball shape. Fry them till golden brown. Now in another pan, take approximately 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 2 medium size sliced onion and fry onion till golden brown. So our onion is brown. Now add ginger garlic and cumin seed paste in it. Now in another bowl, take 2 to 3 teaspoons of curd. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder and 1 teaspoon of kitchen king masala. Add little bit more curd in it, approximately 4 teaspoon of curd, and mix it properly and make a fine paste and add into our masala and stir continuously and cook till curd is reduced to a half. Now add 2 medium sized chopped tomato and cook further till tomato is soft. Now add salt to taste and cook till oil separates. Now our oil is separated. So put all the masala into a pressure pan and add the koftas in it. Mix it well and cook it for further 1 to 2 minutes. Now add boiled water in it for curry and mix it and cover it and pressure cook it for 1 whistle. So all the curry absorbed by the koftas. And after 1 whistle, your green gram kofta curry is ready.